Hello guys, and welcome to another quick tutorial from Vintage Radar. Today I'm going to show you how to calibrate or to align the watch hands of your chronograph Fossil watch. So this is going to be something that you can apply to other watch models as well. Today we have the Fossil Nate chronograph, and as you can see here we have three subdials. The one on the right is going to be for the 24-hour display. This is going to be the one for the seconds hand of the chronograph, and here we have the one for the minute hand of the chronograph. So if I want to start the chronograph, I'm going to press the top pusher. As you can see, the seconds hand of the chronograph has started. I'm going to pause, and then when I reset, as you can see, it is not fully aligned at 12 o'clock. So we need both of these subdials to perfectly point at 12 o'clock. So in this case at 60, and on the other subdial at perfectly 30. So what we want to do is to pull the crown to the last position. You will also see that the seconds hand of the watch has stopped. That is because this movement has a hacking. And now if I press the top pusher, you can see that I can actually move the subdial right here forward. I can also press and hold, and it is going to speed scroll. And something really important is that you can see that the minute hand also moves as well. So for every minute that passes on this subdial, a minute is also going to pass there. So this means that we need to align both of them at the same time. You can see that right here I have this one pointing at 12 o'clock and this one as well. In case you go a little bit too far, or in case you are with the minute hand in the opposite direction and it is closer to go backwards, you can use the bottom pusher in order to go backwards one by one, or you can press and hold and you are going to speed scroll in the opposite direction. And you don't need to worry if you go just a little bit too far, because you can always go in the opposite direction. There are going to be some chronograph watches on which you can only go in one direction, so you need to be very careful at the end, so to go one by one. Once both of these are perfectly aligned at 12 o'clock, as you see right here, we are going to push the crown all the way back in. The seconds hand of the watch is going to start ticking again. And now, if I start the chronograph, it is going to start from 12 o'clock, and now I can actually pause it and read the seconds. So we have only 5 seconds, no minute. And then if I press the bottom pusher, it is going to go backwards and it is going to perfectly align at 12 o'clock. So guys, that was the quick tutorial that I had for you today on how to align or to calibrate the chronograph watch hands on your Fossil chronograph watch. As I mentioned, this is going to be the Nate model. In case you want to watch the full guide with all the functions and features of this particular model, also how to set the time and date, how to adjust the bracelet, and also how to replace the watch battery, I'm going to leave links in the description box below, so make sure to check them out. And in case you enjoyed this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to this YouTube channel, it really helps a lot. Also, make sure to check out our website, vintageradar.com, because we have thousands of vintage watches for sale, link in the description box below. Thank you guys for watching, make sure to subscribe, and I'm going to see you in the next video.